Hey guys, welcome to another Discord video. The one that I posted last year called Splatbot. Well, I ended up taking that bot down because I switched to a new Discord account, and we are back with a new bot, and the bot's name is Sparkulus. So let's get straight into it and show you guys how to make a Discord server with Sparkulus. So first you want to head to top.gg and wait for that to load. Then you search for Sparkulus, which will pop up in the top result. So you'll click on Sparkulus. It's right here. We have our description. We go invite. We pick a server, which I do not have one quite yet. So let's just create one. No, we'll go create my own. Skip this question. We'll just create one. We'll reload this so that the bot will recognize it. Then we go continue, authorize as administrator. Now it's important that you have it as administrator because the bot does not operate fully without the administrative permissions. Finally managed to invite the bot. It says authorized, so let's go back to Discord. We'll dismiss that. Now we have our little invite message saying who the bot is coded by and whatnot. Alright, so let's get started. So if we want to set up the server, we'll go /setup. At the moment we only have 3 templates inside the bot, so we will require to pick one of these 3 templates. So let's say I want a gaming server. Our gaming server is now being pre-created for us. Now we head back to general. It says all channels and VCs are done. Starting channel VC permissions now. This could take a while. So you'll be able to come up here, check in the settings and go straight to the audit log. You can see that permissions are being adjusted so that the channels are set accordingly. Alright, so now it's done. Now it's setting up the roles and looks like the channel permissions are done. So we can go straight into the audit log and straight to the roles, and we have our roles created. Now it would ask if we'd like some self roles. So yes, we will have self roles. The bot will automatically set up some self roles for you. Now it is optional if you don't want these self roles, but I decide I want them. Now it says would you like everyone to have the member role? Yes, so it'll give everyone the member role. So let's say you've already got members in your server, it'll give it to all of them. Now it says would you like us to set up rules for you? And yes, we will have the rules right here. Pre-made rules, pre-made roles. We go country roles, so let's just pick a random country. Now it's been given to us. Bam. Alright, so now we can set up logs. So we'll go with /config. So it says server logs not set, verify not set, boost channel not set. So we could go with server logs setup. So if we want server logs set up, we need to copy the ID of the channel. We need to go into server logs. We need to press Ctrl V or you paste it in. Submit, and now it has been set for logs. So all we have to do is send a random message. We'll delete it. And we've got it straight into our logs. Now this bot is full of all sorts of commands, so if we want to view all the commands we go /help as it says in the status of the bot. It says hello, I'm Sparkulus. I mainly use the / command, but some of my commands can be run on this prefix. So we've got a bunch of variety of commands here, so we can go with random, and now if I want I can generate a dog picture. Sparkulus will then generate a dog picture. If I want to do a joke, I go joke. Sparkulus will now give me a joke. Sparkulus is full of many commands, and if you really want to ramp up your server, I suggest inviting Sparkulus today. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.